Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my baked salmon. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your salmon on a piece of parchment paper so it doesn't stick. I like my salmon to be dry before I put my seasoning on there, so I'm just using a paper towel to dry it off. You are going to need 2 tablespoons of melted butter, and I'm just going to melt mine in the microwave. Take a brush and generously brush the butter on top of the fish. They have different types of salmon, and this is the cheaper one. I got this on sale for $6.99, but my favorite one is the sockeye salmon, but that's really expensive. That's almost $30, but it's so good. So sometimes I buy that one, sometimes I buy this one. It all depends on my budget. As you know, these days everything is just so expensive. Now I'm going to sprinkle some adobo seasoning on top, and you just want to season this to taste, but don't put too much because it will be salty. And then I'm going to sprinkle some dill on top. The very last thing I'm putting on top of the fish is some lemon slices. So I just use a whole lemon. Bake this at 375 degrees for 15 minutes. You might be wondering, what is all this white stuff coming out from the fish? Well, it's the protein coming out from the fish. This is totally normal and safe to eat, but I just don't like the way it looks, so I always try to scrape off a little bit of it. My hubby went ahead and took a picture of it, so that's why it's in this plate, but I just wanted to come back and show you what it looks like. When I serve this, I like to serve it with the lemon slice over the fish. So when you're ready to eat it, just squeeze your lemon over the fish. Now if you don't like adobo seasoning or don't have adobo seasoning, you can use what you like on your fish. It's up to you, but that's what I've been using for years and years, and hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. I wanted to come in here and show you my cauliflower rice quickly that I made to go with it. And I have some other veggies cooking, so don't worry about that. My plate is not empty. But the cauliflower rice, oh my goodness, it was so good. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.